Hi, I'm Barry Gross. I am the pen teacher. And this week in Marc Adams School, we have learned a lot. This is Thursday, so we're pretty much kind of wrapping it up. But this is one of the pens that the students made these are pine cones mixed in with Alumilite, which is nice. We've done some casting. This is always a fun one. We've done some segmenting, and then this is a fidget spinner. So they can sit here and they can when they're bored listening to me, they can fidget on this. We've done some pens with abalone shells like this. Here's another one that we did today. These are ground up $100 bills, which is really kind of nice. And here's my Botox pen. So just in case, if anyone needed a quick little Botox treatment, they can just take it and rub it on their face, and it works really nicely. We've made them out of watch parts, which is kind of nice. And then one of their favorites, this is cactus. And then we fill it with turquoise. So all these different pens we can make in class. Here's a fountain pen that they're making now. They're making a fountain pen. So we've made other pens. These are inlay kits. This is an inlay kit. It's cut with a laser and then it's put back together, but it's kind of unique because this one lights up. So just in case you're lost at sea, you can always turn it on and find your way home. We make them with, here's puppy prints. So all these different things we've made. Here's one made with, this is a cigar label and a Jack Daniels barrel. And then what we do is we also, you can put it in a case like this. So the class is really nice. The school is great. It's a great learning environment. And this is my 11th year here, and I just keep wanting to come back all the time. We have a lot of really nice things. The lathes are great. The students are great. The setup is wonderful. So I can't talk enough about it. And also, listen, I want you to thank you for watching us, and come on down and enjoy us.